Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 GMC Savannah. This is a 2500 van. And it is running good, so I'll go ahead and take you for a tour. It does have the dock stops on the bumper, which if you've ever backed into a dock, you don't know how much those help. And then you do have a rubberized flooring. You have tie downs here in the back and in the center. And then you have a cabinet right there, and then your divider. I'll go ahead and close these up so we don't have any warning lights when we get in. And then I'll add some still photographs as well. See, the floor in the cab is also rubberized. Come over here, and that air conditioning is working really well. Okay, see, it does have a stereo. And there are your presets. So here's your trailering. And you do have additional power supply here, and you do have a 120 right here, and another additional power supply. You can turn the airbags on and off with a key. And then you also have your cup holders and additional stowage down in here. Additional trailering controls, and then as you look down here, you'll see that you have 16,758 miles on this vehicle. And then you've got your cruise control and your lights. And that about wraps it up for this GMC on the interior. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There is an impact here in the front. The airbags did not deploy. There's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.